Alright, so literally right as I was walking back from there, like I was down there, and dude, like literally as I was walking back, I heard this thing turn on. You could hear me going, yo, it just turned on. And also our air conditioner's running. Yo, that's actually kind of crazy. I did not expect it to turn on right as I was walking up on it. Syntec motor. 2015 2.5 ton. Wow, I actually did not expect that. That's crazy. Oh. You can see it from this angle. There it is from the front. It's from the top as well. And there it is from the top. There it is from the top. Yeah. Wow, I actually did not expect that to turn on. Wow. So, I guess out. And tomorrow we'll do a spring cleaning of that of ours right there. So yeah, I guess out. Well, let's do the shutdown now, I guess.